Vehicle insurance presented by Akshata, MCom Final, MPM Government, First Grade College, Karkala. What is motor insurance? A motor insurance policy is a legal contract between the insurance company and the policyholder to provide cover for any loss or damages sustained by the policyholder in an unforeseen accident as well as natural calamities. This way, the policy ensures peace of mind and security to the policyholder on the road. It is a legal contract which covers loss or damage sustained by the policyholder. Loss may be unforeseen accident or may be natural calamities. It gives securities and peace of mind to the policyholder on the road. Motor insurance is mandatory for all two-wheelers and four-wheelers vehicles such as cars, bikes, scooters, trucks that are plying on the roads in India. Vehicle owners can avail motor insurance even for commercial vehicles as well. Motor insurance is compulsory for all two-wheelers and four-wheelers such as cars, bikes, scooters, trucks, etc. Types of motor insurance. First one, car insurance. Car insurance gives coverage against accidental loss or damages to own car or a third party. While choosing a car insurance policy, a person should always compare the premium offered by various insurers to ensure that he got the best deal. The amount of the premium would depend on the make and value of the car, state from where it is registered, and the manufacturing year. This insurance covers policyholders' own car or third party who get damaged because of policyholder. Premium amount depend on the value of the car, state where it is registered and manufacturing year. So while considering car insurance, always compare the premium offered by various insurers. Two-wheeler insurance. Two-wheeler insurance provides protection to bikes and scooters. It covers two-wheelers vehicles against any own damages as well as any accidental loss caused to third party, property or person. Similar to car insurance, the premium of two-wheeler policy depends on age of the bike, its make and model, registration year, etc. It is on bike and scooters. Any damages or losses caused to this or to third party may use against two-wheelers insurance policy. Here also premium depend upon age of bike, model, manufacturing, registration, year, etc. Commercial vehicle insurance. Commercial vehicle insurance helps all commercial vehicles drivers to reduce losses they might incur due to damage to their vehicles. Here, commercial vehicles include those that are not used for personal purposes like goods carrying vehicles, trucks, etc. Vehicles which used for commercial purpose, not for personal use. It will helps all commercial drivers to reduce the loss which might be occur. Types of motor insurance coverage in India. First one, third party insurance cover. It covers a person who has been injured in an accident involving you and your vehicle, including cars, scooters, bikes, trucks, etc. The policy doesn't provide any direct benefit to insured. As per the Insurance Regulatory and Development of India, no insurers can decline to underwrite third party insurance. This insurance gives cover to a third party who get damaged because of you or your vehicles. It doesn't provide benefit to the insured. Comprehensive insurance cover. This cover is an add on to the third party insurance plan and protects the owner of cars, bikes, scooters, and trucks from financial losses caused by damage or theft of insurance vehicles. Besides insuring vehicles, it also provides third party coverage. Along with third party, it provides financial support to policyholder vehicles in an event of damage. Pay as you drive insurance. Pay as you drive policy is a newly introduced car insurance product as per the recent guidelines of IRDA under the Sandbox project. This car insurance policy allows the policyholder to pay the insurance premium as per the kilometers driven. The policy premiums also to be decided at the time of buying the policy depending on declared distance by the insurance seekers that he or she expects to drive in the policy tenure. It is a new concept introduced by IRDA. Here premium will be based on kilometer driven. Here insurance will be taken can expectation drive in a policy tenure. How to file a motor insurance claim. The document and formalities involved in a vehicle insurance claim settlement will depend upon the type of vehicle and nature of loss. Document and formalities of vehicle insurance depend upon the type of vehicle and nature of loss. First one, filing for a claim in case of damage to owned car, two-wheeler, commercial vehicles. To initiate the process, the insured is required to submit a detailed estimate of the loss to the insurance company. Independent automobile surveyors with engineering background are given in the task of assessing the reason and extent of loss. Initially, insured submit detailed estimate loss to the insurance company. Then insurance company with the help of the independent surveys and engineering they extend the loss. Apart from claim form, other documents required for processing claims are fitness certificate, driving license, registration certificate, book, final book, bill from repairs, policy report is mandatory. Third one, third party claims. On receipt of notice from the insured or third party, the matter is transferred to advocate. Complete information about the accident is obtained from the insured along with the following documents: police report, driving license, medical certificate, death certificate in case of a fatal claim. Third party, where the insured or third party claim insurance, they it go to advocate that they collect complete details of accident from insured and also check the following documents: policy report, driving license, medical certificate, death certificate in case of a fatal claim, etc. Fourth one, parameters that decide motor insurance premium: age of person, driving history, make of the commercial vehicle or car or two wheelers, the professional of the person, geographical location. To decide premium, insurance company check the person's age, driving history about vehicles, profession, his location and all. Thank you.